everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys. So this video gonna be a little bit different from any of my videos that I've done so far and shared with you because I decided to DIY dye my hair and show you how to do it. I don't know how the camera transfers, but in the real life my hair looks really brassy to the color that was originally, because I had it dyed more to the cool and grayish color and I really loved it, but now it looks very brassy. I don't know if you can see it for camera because of the lights reflecting, you know, and also it might look lighter than it is, but in the real life it kind of dark and brassy and like, you know, yellowish, and I don't like the tone in my hair, so I really wanted to lighten it up without splashing loads of money in a salon. So I went to my local stylist and purchased the professional things, exactly the same ones that they would use in a salon doing my hair. So I was like, no, I can do it too. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So think without any further ado, we should start. So what I got in Sally's is this Bella Color Touch ammonia free color thingy. So what it's supposed to do is just to tone the color. So you need to have already, you know, lighter hair, dyed hair. And to mix it together with, I got these two one-shot cream peroxide for hair coloring and bleaching. I got a 3% ones. I got two bottles because it says to mix this one Color Touch 1 to 2. So the package, because my hair is long, so definitely will need more of the color. So this package is a 60 milligrams. That means if I'm doing 1 to 2, so I need of a peroxide, I need 120, but double of that. So this peroxide one pack is 100, so I'll need to use another one just a little bit. So first of all, always read the instruction of the hair dye you buy. So I'm just quickly gonna read the instruction. So it recommends, as I said, to mix the color 1 part to 2 parts, and they say to apply mixture to the pre-shampooed towel dried hair evenly from roots to ends, or for more intensity you can also apply the mixture directly onto dry hair. I want it to be really intense, so I'm gonna go and apply it directly on the dry hair. So I got gloves and then I got a dye kit, so for mixing the colors in here, so I know exactly how many milligrams I got because I will need 120. You can purchase this in Sally's as well, by the way. I don't want to damage my little black top, even though it's not really a hair dye, it's more of a color toner, it still can stain the clothes. So you can put an old towel which you don't mind to stain, or as I do, a bin bag. That's how classy I am. So I'm gonna add all tube into this little mixing pot thing. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna mix all this together and then start applying on my hair. So what it says on the instruction, on visible regrowth, apply to the root area first. So I'm gonna start from roots and I'm gonna go down to the ends. So I'm just kind of massaging it in. Plus the color toner is more like a heat activated, so it's even better to go and warm up the color a bit. So now I'm just gonna start going into the lens. So I just divided my hair into 2 parts, so it's easier to go through the length that way. So as you see, I'm just fixing closer to the root, as I feel I got color everywhere and I still got some dye left in here. So I'm just blending everywhere more. So I'm just trying now to warm up my hair and put it to the bun kinda. And I'm gonna leave it on for 15 minutes. Hey Siri, count down 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes and counting.
Here you go, I'll see you in 15 minutes, guys. My hair looks so dark now. I think it should be time already to wash it off. Hey! As I was saying, so I'm gonna jump into the shower, wash my hair and dry it off, and gonna come back to you. But so far, It looks really dark and gray, so maybe I picked up a wrong shade. Although I wouldn't mind to have a gray hair. I had it once and I absolutely love it, so maybe it's gonna be great if it... And I'm back, guys. So I shampooed my hair, washed the toner out, blow dried and straightened them up, and oh my freaking goodness, I absolutely love this color. I wasn't expecting it gonna get so good, because like I randomly chose this color because there's no really like color sample, so you just go by the name, you know, and that was a proper lucky dip for me because oh my goodness, this is exactly the color that I wanted to go for. So if you're thinking just slightly bit lightening your hair, you know, not going as grayish ash blonde as I did, because it's more like a grayish now, I would recommend to go by instructions, as they recommend to go on a pre-shampooed and towel dried hair for like a nice tone kinda only, rather than intense tone. And to maintain the hair looking like this, not to get like, you know, brassy again and all, I especially let my hair get brassy because I wanted to show you how to change it, you know, how to get hair looking like this from your yellowish brassy hair to cool tone silver, to keep the color, to maintain the color, and not to do any more color touch-ups. I mean, this is not even a color touch-up, although it says a color touch. This is only a toner. I would strongly recommend to get yourself a silver shampoo thing. So I got this Osmo Super Silver No Yellow shampoo for super lightened gray and bleach tones. I couldn't recommend this more, as this is so good. It's gonna keep your hair, you know, brass free and look ashy and cool toned. If you go and use that color touch to tone your hair, don't go in using the shampoo straight on. Wait for at least 2, I would even say 3 weeks, because you don't want to wash this off with the shampoo. You want to keep this, because if you're gonna jump in straight away with this super silver shampoo, you're gonna wash off the toner, and you don't want to do that. So you want to keep a toner as long as you can and then keep the same color as the toner did. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you like this color, or you think it's too ashy? I don't really know what camera transfers through, because what I see in the mirror, it's absolutely amazing ashy blonde color, and I'm actually thinking in like a month time to go maybe lilac or like a cool pink. Would you like to see a video of that? I had it last year, I want it back again, so I might do it. I'm not sure yet. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think of it. And yeah, I'll go wait to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye!